Hi there, welcome back. This is Nasim. Today I am gonna show you how you can open Google Ads account as a beginner. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe because it will help me to continue working on this channel. So, no more talks, let's get started.
And first of all, you have to log in your Google account. Okay, so as you can see, this is first step. You need to input your business name. So for me, I just want to input Nasim Extreme. Okay, and then next, and input your website name, and then hit next, and it will automatically scan your website and show you the preview like for phone and for desktop. So I'm going with my phone and then next, and here you can see, so it's actually making the first camping for you. But if you are expert, then switch to expert mode and do everything from their expert dashboard view. Okay, so I don't like to complete this step. I just want to lab to switch expert mode, so that's why I'm clicking on that. And as you can see, this is the expert mode that you can open any, you can run any camping. Okay, but I create account with a camping. Okay, so I don't want to run my camping at the beginning, so that's why I'm go with that one, because I just want to open my account. So this is the billing part that you need to complete. Okay, so you need to complete your billing part, then your ads will continue, but you can do it later, no problem. But I just want to continue it. Just I didn't change anything. Okay, so you can see my one card already linked with their Google Pay account, so that's why they generate that card. If you want, you can change it if you have multiple card, but for me, I don't want to add this card. Okay, so you can also add new one. Okay, so no problem, you can keep the same card. So, and this is the automatic payment option. Okay, so for me, I mostly love manual payment, but automatic payment it's not also bad. Make sure your card always be active and your card had a balance all the time if you use Google Ads. Okay, then continue. And then personal guidance, messaging app, no. Tips offer, no, I don't need it, and then submit it. Okay, and you can see your account was created and hit continue again. So organization, so is your organization an advertising agency? I just select no. Who pay for your ad? Yes, we pay Google Ads directly, and then save and continue. And here you can see this is the final dashboard for Google Ads.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing on this channel. This is Nasim. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.